Guys, I'm going to show you how to get aptOid. I am not going to install it again, but I will. Should I? Should I not? Should I? Okay, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to boring. The boring is installing it, then it doesn't work, then I have to go through the whole process and doing it over and over again. So what you first need to do, you don't need to install anything real. Go to your settings. If you guys don't want to do this, I even got antiviruses on my phone. Go to security. Go all the way down to allow unknown sources. Install apps from unknown sources. Yeah, that's like Chrome. So this won't work on when you got that, you're done with the whole thing. This is where it comes installing. You can use Google or you can use Chrome. All you do, why does that pop up? All you do is type in aptOid. aptOid. I have it, so I'm not gonna have replaced the file. And I forgot to say something. You don't need to be rooted. Oh, what happened? What the heck? That happened. So when you install it, go through all the things. That's all you really do. Then you have to go through something. You have to do it. Have to do that, and you have to do it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to install something to tell you it will work. Let's try to think of something that you have to pay for. What do you have to pay for? Let's say GTA. See if that's even on you. Grand Theft Auto 5. Grand Theft Auto 5. Come on, work. It's GTA. So I'm showing GTA San Andreas. That's what we're actually gonna get. I'm gonna get it from my dad. Hide it. So I don't know. It's good. Trusted. This is the latest version. So yeah. It's having shield means it's trusted. If it has like no shield, it's not working no more. Let's just try to find another game. What do we have to update? Or what do we have to? What else? Okay, so we're gonna look on the App Store. So let's look on the App Store. Let's see this game that I wanted on iOS. It is. Let's see. Icicle. I guess it's not working. I'm recording, so that's how you get it, guys. Promise you to see you guys later. Bye.